Hi, welcome back to Talk of the Town. If you want to learn how to update your home and have some fun in the process, we have the guest for you today. We have Mary Tracy from Colorscapes Design and Remodel.
That's
welcome
correct.
to the program, Mary.
Thank you.
Good to
Nice
have you
be
here. So tell us, what makes Colorscapes Design and Remodel unique?
Well, I would say because I have a myriad of talents, according to my clients. I have a background in carpentry, which is not always found in women designers. I have a design background. I particularly work with color and product selection. And also, because of my knowledge, I do general contracting. I'm done hundreds of projects, and I bring lots of experienced people in. It's usually a regular crew that I use. And I'm there on the job, so I can pull it all together.
So you're kind of almost, not even a jack of all trades, but a master of many trades, it kind of sounds like.
My business used to be called, years ago, Renaissance Home Improvements, because I thought of it as something where you did know it was a new renaissance. It was a new time to invent, create something new.
Sure.
So I update homes.
Sure, very cool. Now, if somebody was deciding that they wanted to make an update to their home, what would be a good starting point for them?
Well, I mean, a great starting point is to give me a call, and we can chat about the situation. We can chat about where they've gotten stuck, you know, all the colors, the swatches they have on the walls that they can't figure out why it's not working out. We can talk about a room itself. We can talk about the whole space and how we might be able to, you know, do it in parts. And I think with that conversation, we get more comfortable about how we might work together. And from there, we usually schedule a 2-hour appointment, which oftentimes goes into, not always, but it oftentimes is, if it's a whole house remodel or a bathroom or kitchen remodel, we might go ahead and decide to do 9 hours. And that is a volume discount, so that way they've got my attention over 3 visits. And we can go to showrooms, we can pick out whatever we need to pick out. I put an estimate together, and then we just kind of move into the phase of general contracting, doing the whole project. If we end up doing the whole project, otherwise they get, after 2 hours, they get a set of colors, or they get certain design, you know, preferences, and after a couple hours they can get started.
Very nice.
So.
Very nice. So now, a big part of your job is being able to decipher people's personal tastes and tolerances, preferences, things like that. What is your process for doing that? How do you decipher from people's different tastes and so
Right.
forth?
Some of that, I even pick up cues over a 20-minute conversation on the phone.
Sure.
And I hope that they kind of understand that I will personalize it to them, that I'm not trying to make it what I would like. And so I really listen with a different kind of ear and put my heart to it and try to understand. You know, a lot of times people might say, you know, I really don't want things to get too dark, or I'm not afraid of color. You know, let's do something exciting. Let's do something different. Or they might have some pictures, they might have some ideas, they just can't get there. So usually they give me a lot of cues, and pretty soon they build trust with me and they start to tell me more, and it just starts a process.
Very cool.
Yeah, it is.
Very cool. It's just all in the art of listening, really.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. So now some people have these grand ideas when they go into wanting to update their home and they want to do the whole thing. But then they might back off and say, well, I just want to do a little bit at a time. You know, what if somebody wants to do just a little bit at a time? Is that something that you can accommodate?
Yeah, actually, most of the time, people might already have, if it's a newer house, maybe they just want the color. So maybe they just, you know, they couldn't do it when they built the house, and now they want to go through, so they might do a 2-hour consultation. Other times, you know they want to get to the whole house, but maybe they want to start with the bathroom, or maybe they want to start with the main rooms and do the countertop, do some backsplash, you know, work in some color. And so I always think it's a good idea, you know, we can do separate rooms, but if there's joining rooms, to try to at least get the vision of what might be happening there throughout those rooms. So it all kind of feels like it goes together well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you know, some people try to do a lot of things themselves. There's those do-it-yourselfers out there. Why should somebody come to you instead of trying to do it themselves?
Well, I really like to think that I empower people to do a certain amount themselves. Let's say we're looking for lighting. They might get on the internet and we might get an idea. I might kind of make some suggestions. This is what's on the market. You know, this is not necessarily what's a fad, but what's a trend. You know, this is what will work with everything else that's on the market. They may get the idea then enough to where they can look and find things. They'll shoot them to me what they like. I'll give back to them what I think works and what doesn't work. And it's kind of a circular motion, and it works really, really well. So I empower people to feel like they can start to make those decisions themselves, which is great.
Mary Tracy, owner of Colorscapes Design Remodel, thank you so much for coming
Thank
on
you.
the program. Check them out, update your home with Mary Tracy at Colorscapes, and we'll be right back with more Talk of the Town.